Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel MatheMagic by Varuna. Now in today's video, we will understand what is a ray. So a line segment extended endlessly in one direction is called as a ray. For example, if we take this as a line segment, now a line segment has two endpoints. Now when we take AB as a line segment and we extend it in the direction of B from A to B. If we extend it from A to B. Now this particular line segment becomes a ray now. Why? Because it is extended indefinitely from A to B. Now let us understand how do we denote it. For denoting a line segment, we used to make a small line segment on AB. Now, for denoting a ray, basically which shows that it is extending from A to B, we write on A first and then B, and we make a ray over it. Also, clearly this ray AB has one endpoint, which is A, and it is called as the initial point. Also, we have that the ray has no definite length. Why? Because it is indefinitely extending on in one direction. Now let us come to the next point. Suppose we take another ray in this direction. Let me call it as A here and B here. Okay. Now what happens? How do we denote this particular ray? Now here B is the initial point and it is extending from B to A. So we will write it as BA with an arrow with a ray over it to denote it. Next, clearly we know that these rays, ray AB and ray B are two different rays. One of them has A as the initial point, extends in direction of B, and the other one has B as the initial point, extends in direction of A. Now, another important point, if we have any point, say O. So from this point O, we can draw indefinite, unlimited rays from this particular point O. So for example, I can draw like this. So unlimited rays can be drawn from any point, one point O. This is also important to understand. Now, I hope with this concept, with this explanation, the concept of ray is clear. Let's meet in the next video to learn more about lines and line segments and rays. Thank you.